In this video, we're going to discuss user-defined fields inside of your events table and how they can be used inside the scheduler and how to configure the lightbox to use them. So I have a table here set up, and it's just an access table, and I have a lot of fields in here, and one of them I have called UDF underbar car with a character value of 10 long. And what we're going to do is we're going to take that particular field and we're going to map it in our user-defined columns. Under user-defined 1, I'm going to put in that UDF car. Now once that's set up, we're going to go into our pre-initialization JavaScript area, and we're going to set up a few things. And I'm going to go over what we did there, but first I'm just going to show this in action so we can see what's going on. So we got an event. We're going to go down here and we go to put in a new event. You can now see that we have our field, our user-defined field that we added is showing up here. Actually call this. If we save that, it writes to the database. I can go down here and execute a query on that, and you can see that this new record got added and it has a value of UDF test. So that's all what we want. And how we got that set up is in the pre-init, in my lightbox sections, my scheduler config lightbox sections, I built in a new area, which is this one right here, and I called it UDF. I gave it a height and I mapped it to the field name from your table. So the field name was called UDF underbar CHAR, and that's what we're going to map it to. And I set the type of a text area. There's some other types we can use. You can have select boxes and check boxes and that kind of thing. And you can look at the scheduler API on the DHX website for more information for all that. I also attached an event because I know this character field is only 10 characters long, and I want to make sure that my description field, which is mapped to text, as you can see. So I'm saying in this event here, I'm attaching an event to the on event save event. I'm just adding a function, and I'm saying if the EV text isn't filled in, text must not be empty. And then I'm also checking the length of the UDF character field, and we're saying if it's greater than 10, and I'm going to throw up an alert there and tell you you need to fix that. So now we're going to watch this in action. So we'll go back here, jump over here. I'm just going to edit this. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 test in 2. Hit save. I get a message saying that the text is too large, must be less than 11 characters. So as long as I fix that and get it under 11 characters, I hit the back button. Sorry about that. It'll work fine. If I go too long, again I get the message. Take it, we're good. If we try to delete this out of here and save it, text must not be empty. That's what we're looking to see, and that's working fine. So thank you very much.